Good afternoon. I wanted to talk to you about my 2014 Honda Odyssey. I had a recent issue that you can see here where I've got the notification to check parking sensor system. I went through, made sure that all of the sensors were clear, trying to figure out what was going on. Did a little bit of searching on the internet, and something that came up being common to the Honda vehicles is that the parking sensor activation button actually would have a blown LED inside of that. So if you can look at it here, you can see as you push it, nothing's responding. It does have the error clear for a moment, and then it does then come back. The way that it recommended testing this was that you switch the bulb, that is the illumination bulb, with that lights up the parking symbol, with the bulb that lights up the actual light that's in there. So what I'm going to do is walk you through how to do that for this Honda Odyssey. The easiest way to access and pull that out is to actually reach up under the dash. When you reach up under the dash, you're going to grab both the lift gate and the parking sensor on the left and right sides, and you're going to squeeze those sides together just slightly and push forward, and then you're going to see the button push out. Once that button comes out, you will just need to then disconnect the sensor, and you'll see that there is a bulb right here on the top, and you can see the two triangles line up across the line across the bulb. You'll twist that to remove that bulb, and then you'll actually see then on the bottom there are two more bulbs, and you can actually see those are illuminated right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to then remove this bulb and then swap it with the other side. Now I've already done that, and then when I've done that, what you'll see when you then press the button is that it lights up a very white light instead of the normal amber light that is on that. So actually what I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and swap out this bulb. What you'll do is you'll need to disconnect the plug. There is a latch here on the back that you'll press in, and then when you press that in and pull on the entire plug adapter with both hands, then it will go ahead and pull out. And you can see from there. So then we'll take this and we'll change that bulb on the top. For this bulb replacement, looking up the actual part number, you can see here that this is 35856 TK8A02. And then this is what that bulb looks like when you have it out of its bag. So the easiest way then to change this, do a small twist just to a 90 degree. Once you have that bulb out, you can actually see from this one, it's got a little bit of heat that's you can see around the top of that bulb. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and replace that bulb with the new one. That sits right down in there, and then as you can see, I'm going to turn it to the right just slightly, not applying too much pressure, until those arrows line up. And now you can see with those arrows lined up, you know that it is securely in there. From that point, we'll go ahead and reconnect. And then once you reconnect it, you want to go ahead and then push it back in. As you're pushing it back in, make sure that you don't press your power lift gate, just in case that is still on. You don't want that to open up and hit anything, garage door or anything like that. So I'm just going ahead and using the parking button is what I push, and you'll feel that go ahead and securely get back in there. So now if we go ahead and start up the vehicle, You'll see that that error did not pop up. And if we go over to the button, you can see now when we press it, it comes on and shows green, which is what color that it should be showing. Like I said, when you switch both lights, because this normally lights up a white light, you would actually get a white light there instead of that green light. But since I went ahead and replaced the bulb with the correct part number, because I knew that was already my problem, then that's where it's showing up as a green. I hope that you find this very helpful, and I appreciate it if you would like my post and possibly follow. Hopefully I'll make some more videos like this to help everyone out. Thank you.